thank you so much, Cornel from CJS Attorneys. We're in the CJS Attorneys office this morning. Thank you so much for your time. This morning we're going to be talking about the trustees' liability. Cornel, from your side, does the trustees have any liability?
Well, Sakkie, thank you for this opportunity. I think before you can understand its trustees' liability, you need to understand their responsibility. Now, a trustee's responsibility is similar to that of a director of a company. They have a fiduciary duty towards the body corporate. Now, this basically means four things. Firstly, they must act honestly and in good faith. They cannot exceed their powers. They must always act in the interest of the body corporate and avoid any material conflict of interest. Now, if they exceed their powers or they breach this fiduciary duty, they can be held liable in their personal capacity for any damages suffered by the body corporate or any economic benefit that they might have received as a result of this breach.
Sure. All right, have you got maybe an example of
Well, to
liability?
think of an example, I always go back to the Cape Royal matter. In this specific matter, the chairman of the body corporate was also the sole director of the developer, and he was also the sole director of the company that performed the duties of managing agent. Now, clearly here, his interest in his other companies compromised his fiduciary duty towards the body corporate. So always be careful if you have other companies performing services to the body corporate.
Cornel, tell me, do you have any tips for trustees on preventing this liability?
Yes, well, I think knowledge is the key. So familiarize yourself with the Sectional Titles Act and the scheme management rules. Make sure you have a competent managing agent and a competent board of trustees. And I think finally, if you are unsure, ask before you act. You don't want to run the risk of personal liability with mistakes that could have been avoided.
Awesome. Cornel, thank you for your time this morning. Yes, and we're looking forward to the next educational slot. But there you've got it. So the trustees do have liability. I hope this has helped you quite a bit, and we're looking forward to the next educational video.